Greetings, Natty Kunde.
Yes, give thanks to the
Most High. Place again for
yeah, man, give thanks, man.
Alright. So how was the experience with the earthquake just now?
Well, right now it's frightening because I get up off of the bed to run. I never remember saying I no foot, you know.
What?
They fall down. But right now, give thanks, you know, we die still, you know. It was a frightening experience. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
so alright, for those who know the eye, Natty Kunde, is this your major earthquake, your experience bigger than that before?
No, we don't have experience something bigger than before. You know, that was
so
big,
when you say this basically is the biggest for you?
The biggest one, yes, I.
Alright.
Yeah,
Here
that's
people,
experience.
they're here with the great Natty Kunde.
Yeah,
I want to tell me say this earthquake just now is the biggest he has ever felt.
Yes, I.
Yes,
really frightening, you know.
Shit like a boat, my day and my uncle, man, I tell you. Never believe it. Yeah. Like a boat, my day.
How was your experience, sir?
The whole school has shake with me in the building.
Whoa, you at school till it happened?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just experienced an earthquake. The preliminary measurement of the earthquake is that it's approximately 5.6 in magnitude, centered somewhere in Buff Bay in Portland. That year, we have experienced some break in electricity and communications, but the report so far is that most have been restored.
Yo! This earthquake, this man. Yo, man, I'm free. No. This earthquake like this yet. Come on. And yeah, this one is what it is. Yo, I dance the building, I dance. Building, I got drop. Yo. Don't see you're supposed to piss up themselves. Yo, a joke thing. The earthquake is serious.
Well, after the earthquake, we noticed several persons in the New Kingston vicinity running to the hospital from their workplaces, more so those from the call centers, or BOP as you all call them, and say they are having seizures, they are panicking. Some persons fall while running out after the earthquake, so they came for assistance.
Bye. The place has shake. We have outside or under decks. Which one?
Jamaica was rocked by an estimated 5.6 magnitude earthquake on Monday morning. The quake occurred at approximately 10:57 a.m. and was reportedly felt right across the island. DJ Slick 44 said he was around a desk at the time working while he felt a huge shaking. He said the building he was in was shaking. Many people who felt the earthquake said it was the worst. People was scared as they shout out and calling on Jesus for help.
What was the experience there when you felt the earthquake?
Frightening. Frightening out of the stairs.
Wow, really? Is it your first experience of an earthquake? Or
Second major one.
second major? So you all can agree that it was a major earthquake?
Yeah,
Right?
it was.
A big earthquake?
Yep. Frightening. A couple things broke. So. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for coming.
We're 4 tonight, and it shook the place. The first ever get a heavy shake so far. God not sleep, in thy mighty name. Yeah. I can, and it shook the place, you know? And yeah. You know?
Put your 90 down.
Yeah, 90.
What was your reaction?
So scared.
Were you at school or at home?
At school.
What did the teacher tell you to do during the earthquake?
One of the bits.
Alright.
What's your experience about the earthquake?
Well, my experience was, it frightened me, yeah? But in the mix of it, I enjoy because in a long, not even a long while, in my lifetime, I never hear nobody ball out on Jesus, so yeah. and in the process you feel love. Because everybody about Jesus and everybody a grab for one another. I told me that time. I never feel them attachment in a tone.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you could say this is the first major earthquake?
No, it's not the first, but it's the worst. When me experience.
Thank you very much.
Did you feel the earthquake today? Yes, I did. What was your reaction? We're at home at school. What did you teacher tell you to do the earthquake? Come on!
Yo! This earthquake, this man. Yo, man, I'm free. No. This earthquake like this yet. Chairman. Yeah, this one is what it is. Yo, I dance, building a dance. Building a drop. Yo. Don't see you're supposed to piss up themselves. Yo, a joke thing. The earthquake is serious.
Well, right now it's frightening because I get up off of the bed to run. I never say I no foot, you know.
Wow.
They fall down. But right now, give thanks, we die still, It was a frightening experience still.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,